How to troubleshoot Windows 10 or 11 login issues. If you're having trouble logging into your Windows 10 or 11 computer, if it gets stuck on the login screen or if you see an error message, try these solutions. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. So you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and then click on Restart, or tap on this Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on this power button over here, and you'll get three different options of sleep, shutdown, and restart. Go ahead and tap on Restart. Now check your internet connection. For Microsoft account users, if you log in with a Microsoft account, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Also try using a mobile hotspot, and if necessary, restart your router. You can go ahead and try the options of PIN, password, fingerprint, or security key. Click on Sign In options to see all the choices, and if one method does not work, another might. There is also called the option of safe mode, which can help resolve problems caused by corrupted drivers or updates. Hold down the Shift key and click on Restart, then go to Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings and then Restart. You can also press F4 or 4 to select Safe Mode, and once in Safe Mode, remove any recently installed applications and then uninstall any recently installed driver updates. Then restart your computer normally. You can also use a Startup Repair. From the login screen, click on the Power button. Then after, hold down the Shift key and click on Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and select Uninstall Updates. Choose either latest quality update or feature update. You can also create a new user account if profile is corrupted. As a last resort, you can reset Windows. This option lets you keep your files if you choose Keep My Files. Hold down the Shift key and click on Restart, and then go to Troubleshoot, reset this PC, and choose Keep My Files. Remove everything for a completely clean system. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.